Hi, this is Queen from AEvent Support. In this video, I will be discussing with you the lead section of your account. So once you log into your AEvent account from your dashboard, click on the lead section here on the left-hand side. And this is where you'll see the leads that registered for your webinars. So you can see here the active tab and the banned tab. So on the banned tab, this is where you'll see the leads that you've banned from your account. And on the active tab, you can see here the name of the lead, the email address, the phone number, and the timeline they registered for. So to know more, just click on this view section or view option, and you'll see here the email address, the phone, the timeline name, the country the registrant is from, their join URL, replay URL. You'll also be able to see here their attendance activity if they were attendees, non-attendees. You'll also see here the attendance time if that specific lead is an attendee and the integrations that were activated or used for that specific lead. And that's it. Let's close this. And you also see here this option here to ban this specific lead or to delete the lead from being subscribed to your account. And you'll also see here that you have the option to search for a lead. So just type in the name of the lead. Oh, I have test for all of them. Let's try by email. And as you can see, it showed you the specific lead associated with that email address. And you can also click on this one to ban that specific email address. So when you click on that one, you will be prompted to enter the email address again. And then once you're sure, just click on ban at the bottom. That would be all for this video. If you have any questions, feel free to contact support. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Feel free to leave us a comment below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you'll get notified of our future uploads. Thank you for watching.